Alright, so I want to go and react to this article today. It's 5 things to expect from Samsung's next Galaxy Unpacked event, which is going to be coming out in early July. I believe July 10th, I want to say. So let's go ahead and get right into this. So first off, it's the Galaxy Z Fold 6, which I'm very excited for. Obviously, we have seen a billion different videos, pictures of this phone at this point. Most of them being dummy units, not actual units. But still, I just want to see the actual phone. I want to see it operating. I want to use it. I want to actually, see the nitty gritty of the actual device. Which, again, will come very, very soon from now. So, hopefully, it's going to be as good as it seems. I still love this outside display, and I love how this looks. I know not everyone, it's everyone's cup of tea. Me, personally, though, I am absolutely a fan of how this phone looks, personally. Alright, Galaxy Z Flip 6. Yeah. Again, not really much of an upgrade, but hey, listen, it is what it is. I'm still very interested in the Ultra variant of Z Fold 6, I will say. Although we're not going to get that until probably August, September time period. Galaxy Z Flip 6. The Galaxy Watch 7. So, not bad at all. Should be interesting. Here's the thing, right? I own a Galaxy Watch. But I really don't ever feel the need to constantly upgrade the Galaxy Watch to the newest Galaxy Watch. I don't feel like it's usually that crazy much of an update. It is to a certain degree on certain ones, but I mean like every single year I don't feel the need to upgrade. So it's one of those things where I know it comes out during these events, but I never really pay attention to it / even think about buying it. The Samsung Galaxy Ring. Now, this, we'll see if it actually does come out, but it's going to be very interesting. It's its first smart ring and promises to have a whole host of fitness and wellness tracking features, all hidden in beneath and looking rings available in several finishes. That should be really interesting to see if this does come out during this event, because there's been a lot of talk about this ring and a lot of speculation, so I mean, who knows? Samsung could go big with this one. Or they could wait to release this or talk about this until the Ultra event. A lot of AI. Yeah. I think that's pretty, at this point, pretty obvious, pretty, apparent. We're going to see a lot of AI stuff when it comes to this, and that's not really surprised at all. But guys, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I mean, it's going to be a really cool event, really awesome event, and hopefully we get some really good information. But see you guys in the next one.